Hi guys, today I got a package from Creamiicandy and I ordered 3 squishies. So let's open this up. Just need to cut it open from the top here. And this is what we got. And the first squishy in this package is, we have this Aoyamo Tokyo Squishy, and this is the British Royal Soft, the green melon one. This already feels super soft. So let's open this up from down here. Ooh, has some nice texture. In here we have the toast, has a little keychain. And this is pretty soft. Getting some very good fingerprints in there. And it does actually smell like melon. Never smelled a melon scented squishy before. And it looks like they actually sent me this freebie gingerbread bun. And this is soft. So I'm trying to squeeze it. And it has a keychain too. I might as well just take this out. Maybe for a better look. If I can get this out, this is pretty thick in there. Here we go. This is like a bright green gingerbread bun. And it just kind of smells like plastic. And these 2 last squishies are ones that I was actually super excited about. These are, let's take these out, the new milk carton squishies. And this is a strawberry and banana one. There's also a chocolate. Packaging is pretty cute. It looks like the strawberry one is already open, so let's get this one out. These have a super kawaii face. Ooh, and these are pretty soft and super solarizing. Kind of feels cool for some reason, kind of cold. Just gonna let that focus. It does say strawberry at the bottom. And what does it say? Made with love by Squishy Inc. It's not really focusing, but that is what it says. And it's just the same thing on this side. So let's smell. And this actually kind of, it smells like strawberry ice cream. But you do smell the strawberry in there, definitely. And the last squishy is the banana milk. Open this one up. This one has the exact same face, but in yellow. And these actually have a pretty nice wafer texture. Says the exact same thing. And this one is solarizing as well. It looks like it does have some defects on it, but they're not that major, so it should be okay. And this smells like not a very strong scent, but it smells like banana.
I enjoyed opening the squishy package from Creamiicandy. Let me know which one is your favorite LBs in the comments. Thanks for watching.